Good morning, students. Once again, so we were studying the resonance. Now, in the next video, you see, please. Now we are going to some more examples of the resonance. Suppose now I am going to take the examples of the ozone, that is called O3. Its name is ozone. Okay, student. You see, as you have done already Lewis structure of the ozone. Okay, in the Lewis structure of ozone, what we are making over there, you see, might be you knowing very well, single bond, and there is a double bond, and there was a formal charge negative, here it was a positive. Like this way only we have made. Now see, this is our first resonating structure. Same way we can draw second one. All of you see there, there is a double bond, and again there is a single bond. Okay, and here it is positive charge, and here it is negative charge again, and this is the second structure. As already I told you one thing, what, that now these two structure what we have made there, okay, these are known as canonical structure. These are known as canonical structure, or you can call it a resonating structure. What you can call it? You can call it a resonating structure. Fine. But after that we have to make its resonance hybrid also, and whenever we are going to make its resonance hybrid, it means now double bond is here, double bond is here, so it means double bond can be anywhere in the resonance hybrid. That only we have to start. You see, all of you, now I am going to make a resonance hybrid for you people of these two structures. Okay, now for the resonance hybrid, see it very carefully. Now resonance hybrid will be of the ozone will be like this. You see, this is a, then this one is a, okay, then see, double bond, double bond. You can show like this, and here it is partially negative. The small delta hai, it indicates partial negative charge. Fine. And here it is positive. Why double positive is there? Because negative was there, one negative was there, so for this negative this positive is there, for this negative this positive is there, and this structure is called what? Resonance hybrid. Okay बेटा, मेरी बात समझ आई ना? पहले हमने क्या बनाया था, दो ऐसे बनाई थी ना करके, ये वाली बनाई थी हमने एक. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव मेड लाइक दिस वे. दीज वर द कैनोनिकल स्ट्रक्चर और रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर. लेकिन ये वाली जो स्ट्रक्चर है, दिस इज कॉल्ड रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड. अब समझ आई मेरी बात? दिस इज कॉल्ड रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड स्ट्रक्चर. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट, after making the resonating structure of the ozone, let's see one more example we can give. See, I'm writing there one more molecule, that is called CO3 2 negative. Students, you know very well its Lewis structure. So how we can make its Lewis structure? You see, all of you, C double bond O, then here it is negative, and here it is negative. Fine. And see, all of you, after that, see it very carefully. Double bond can come this side, here is a negative, and here can be a negative. Then after that we can make one more structure. See it very carefully. What we can do, we can do like this way, that here it is negative charge, here it is negative charge, and there can be a double bond like this way. Now you see, all of you, what we can say? We can say this is the first resonating structure, this is the second resonating structure, and this is the third resonating structure. समझ आई मेरी बात? And these are also called canonical structure. What do you call them? You can also called canonical structure. क्या बोलते हैं इनको? Canonical structure, or it is called resonating structure. अब हमने क्या बनाना है इनका? हमने बनाना है अब रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड. एंड व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इट्स रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड, नाउ यू सी इट वेरी केयरफुली. सी CO then O, then O. Okay, then what to do there, you can see there like this way, yes or no. It shows that double bond can be anywhere. Okay beta, and this is called resonance hybrid of the carbonate or CO3 2 negative. Understood my point beta all of you? So student, that question arises, and as already I told you that these resonating structure or canonical structure are imaginary only. Then how we can define the resonance? So we can define the resonance like this way. In actual way, I told you is a delocalization of pi electron, but in actual, how we can define? We can say it may be defined as the phenomena as a result of which a molecule can be explained in different forms, but none of which can explain all the properties. All the means ये imaginary structure हैं, they can't explain all the properties of molecule of the molecule. Then who will explain all the properties? All the properties can be explained by only resonance hybrid. Clear students? Only and only by the resonance hybrid. मेरी बात समझ लग रही है आपको सभी को? So now clearly I told you कि what is the resonance hybrid, okay, and what are the canonical structure, okay. So student, after that, after doing this one, we should have to know some conditions are there. What is there? Some conditions are there for the resonance. What is it? Some conditions are there for the resonance. You see, all of you, conditions for resonance. That only we are going to start. So when we are talking about the conditions for the resonance, so what we can say? Okay, as I told you, I explained you that canonical structure, or like this way, that way. Okay, now you see, first condition is this one, that they told that total charge, okay, what they told, total charge or number of electron should be same, comma, no shifting of any atom, no shifting of atom. Clear? Same way, but second point of the condition is this one only, that only double or triple bonded carbon can show resonance. Means I will write in a simple way. Only those contain sp2 hybridization and sp hybridization, okay, can shows a resonance. Means if there is only single bond, then it is not possible for the resonance. But sp2 हम पढ़ेंगे डिटेल में जाकर. sp2 मतलब डबल बॉन्ड, sp means now here triple bond. If double and triple bond is here, then only resonance is possible. Only single bond cannot show the resonance. Okay student, now same way third point is there that we are doing the see those structure or some structure which is not according to the proper rules of chemistry, they are not allowed. Some structure which is not according to fundamental rule of chemistry, fundamental rule of chemistry are not allowed. Okay, but they are not allowed. Same way one more property is here. Next property is here that like or unlike charges if present at the adjacent carbon, like or unlike charges if present at adjacent carbon, okay, if present at the adjacent carbon, then structure will be unstable. Then structure will be unstable. Clear? Okay, but the last point is there of condition that for the free radical, okay, for the free radical, beta free radical क्या होता है अब, that also we will do in detail, but just remember where only single odd electron is there. What is there? Only single odd electron which molecule was containing, that is called free radical. So what they told, for the free radical only those structures are accepted, only those structures are accepted as a resonating structure, where number of unpaired electrons are equal. Clear? Where number of unpaired electrons are equal, only those are possible. Clear students? These were the 5 conditions that we have done. Next video we will do detail of these rules. Thank you very much.